Hello everyone, let me introduction to our BC to R306 radio. This one is FM AM radio and cassette recorder. And this one support 2 AA30 battery and a loudspeaker, and this one support Bluetooth, and this one support CD and support the microphone function, and this some function in this radio. Okay, let me show you this radio, and this radio design is very beautiful. Design, and this one with menu and headphone. Okay. And this one supported CD. And if you buy our radio, we can send the CD for free. And this is Wang Fei. Do you know Wang Fei? Wang Fei is our country famous singer. Okay. And this can change the band. This AM and FM have 2 AM, and this logo we can customers. And this the low button is change the band, and this one change the voice and support a microphone. And if you listen to CD single or music, you can inside this can flow the music sing. And this one support headphone, and this can change the CD, and this one can use the Bluetooth button, and this button is changed. If you want to listen the CD, you can switch point T. If you want to listen the radio, you can switch this R. The button support import R. And this one with clip, and this can move. The clip can move, and this one support to AA30 battery. Okay, let me show you the invoice. First, let me listen the CD. Put to T. The voice. This play. This is CD, and let me listen the radio. And this one have 20 centimeter retractable antenna, but the single receiver is very good. And let me change it. Let me switch the button to R. Okay, this voice.
好的，感谢这位听众朋友的来电。 如果您有任何健康方面的问题，想向张老师咨询，都可以随时拨打老师的咨询专线
The single
400-068。
And this one have two loudspeaker, and the voice is very loud. And you can change the band channel.
您好。
你好，老师。
今年多大年纪？哦，那您是老大姐。
谢谢。
That's all. Welcome to contact me. Bye bye.